Right, so in your Mercedes Vito, you'll have your air vents are up in the headline in here. Okay, and all the air vents connect down through here, down here, to the fan that's behind this panel, and all of the air gets sucked in through here. Okay, now you might notice over time that the air don't flow so well. So what we need to do is we need to take this panel off using these rotating tabs here and pull the panel off. That reveals that there's the fan. It sucks the air in there, sucks it through that portal, through those gratings. But what's in there is a little bit of fibrous mat that acts as a filter, and you can bet that that is well and truly blocked up. So we're going to whip that out, clean it, and it'll make a big improvement. Right, so here we are, that's the panel, that's the back of it, and it's got this mould in here that's held in place by some Torx head screws. So we just got to whip them out, and then this plastic moulding will come away and we'll be able to get that filter out, and we'll either leave it out or we'll clean it. So let's get on to that. There we go, all the Torx head are out, and this will just lift off like so, and then there is the mat. If we turn this over, oh my god, look at that, how clogged up that is. So not much air is getting through that, so I'm hoping there'll be some significant airflow improvements once we clean that. God, look at the colour of the water. I think that might actually be white. A bit more cleaning, I think that's going to turn white. But look at the colour of that water. Absolutely disgusting. Unbelievable, look, it's actually white now. Okay, we'll let that dry out and we'll get it back in there. Okay, so we're going to give this a bit of a hoover. Filter back on there. Put the housing back over. Put the screws in. Okay, we'll get this back in the motor. There we go, we put the 3 tabs back into those slots over there. And then turn these. So now, with the fans are running, the air gets sucked in there, and you can see how much suction it now has. And there's a proper amount of suction going on there, and that will all be coming out of those vents. Job done.